Hello viewer, in this video I will show you how to fix ChatGPT shared link not remove problem. If you cannot delete ChatGPT shared link, let's see the solution. Solution 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down and find out app. Tap on apps. Now search ChatGPT application. Go to ChatGPT. Scroll down and tap on ChatGPT storage. From the lower right corner, clear cache data from ChatGPT app. Now go back and follow the next step. Open Google Play Store. Tap on search icon. Now search ChatGPT. From here, update your ChatGPT app. After complete the update process, follow the next step and open your ChatGPT app. Go to your chat. Now tap on three dots from the top right corner. Click on share option. Now tap on delete icon.